that it's raining. But namin it's raining, hindi mainitan natin guyan, lalala, yan, no? Tingnan ninyo. Yan, raining. And met namin yung aming mga anak. Kasi how many days na lang to go. They leaving. We miss them. Anong beach puntahan to? Aurora? Aruna Beach. In Oton. Yan. First time tayo pumunta na yun na no? Ay, doon ginкatuan ta to kay kuya. Ay, namin. Ito kay kuya galihan. Maganda yun, malinis ang tubig. So, see you later there. Bye-bye for a while. Have a blessed day for today. Nandito na kami sa Aruna